Welcome to Lasa.Africa. Today we're going to show you the product assembly of the WH-DRESTAB, our vanity table. Let's go ahead and start by opening up the box. Let's go ahead and start with steps 1 and 2. For steps 1 and 2, you'll need parts A, B, screws parts number 8, a Phillips screwdriver, parts CL and CR. So let's go ahead and start with parts B. So for parts B, we need CR and 2 parts number 8, 2 screws. We're just going to use CR as a stencil. As you'll see, it's the first hole and it should line up. We're going to do the same for the other side. Let's move on. Right. Part 1. See? To 6. We're going to use parts E along with 2 number 6 screws along with the inserts. So you'll see there is 2 inserts here. So just like that. So the inserts, just place them on top. See the holes here. Number 6 screw. Steps 5 and 6, you need parts H, CR, CL, parts 8 screws and a Phillips screwdriver. So parts H, you'll see these holes on this side and it's nothing on this side. So you're basically going to need CR for the side that there's no holes. You'll see X as a stencil. First hole lines up, next hole will line up. Turn for CL. and you'll see it's going to be the third hole. Step 7, we need parts D, H, parts 1, 2, 3, and a Phillips screwdriver. So first, we're going to take parts 2 and screw them in. You'll see there is inserts here. We're just going to put them in. So let's go. Then we're going to use part H and just slot them on. Then you're going to use part 3, which these are the lockers. You see these have inserts here. Step 10, we'll be using part number 7. This is screwing at the bottom. Step 11, we'll be using part number 3, the lockers. Step 30, we require parts G, 2 parts I, part number 2, 4 screws. We'll use part 1. That goes here. Part K. Part 5. Part number 4. Step 26, you need certain parts. You need part M, O, O, Q, R, P. Right, let's go ahead. Start with part number 2. Part number R. Part O. Part number P. Number 7 screws. Okay, so we're just going to be installing the railings. Step number 30. Step 30 is an optional step. It's an anti-chipping step. So basically you require part number 11. Part number 11, basically you'll be drilling a hole through the wall and you'll be installing part number 11 here. It's basically a screws, and a fisher plug and a strap. Step 31, we'll be using part number 10. These are stickers for aesthetic purposes. is going to cover them up through the lockers. Moving on to step number 32 and 33, we're going to be installing part number 13, which is his lights. So basically, you're going to pull off the adhesive at the back and slot them through. Thank you for watching the progress semi of our WH-DRESTAB. Please go to our website www.lasa.africa to visit more of our product semis and more of our products. Thank you.